Gabby here, and today I have a cosplay makeup tutorial of Kohane from Project SEKAI. At the beginning of the month was Kohane's birthday, and I did post a photo over on my Instagram, shameless promo for my Instagram, but I realized that it had been a hot minute since I cosplayed Kohane. That picture was taken in August, and it is now March of the following year. This makeup look is super useful for a lot of those kind of soft anime characters. I try to keep this makeup very light and natural, not any super bold colors, so it can be used for a lot of different characters. Also, I will list all the products I used in the description of the video, and I will include the shade names and numbers as well, so you can check out these products for yourself. And yeah, let's get on to the makeup. Alright, so I'm starting with my contacts already in, just to make doing the makeup easier, and I'm going to start by brushing out my brows. Thankfully, since Kohane has blonde hair, I usually just use my natural brows, so I'm just going to fill them in with kind of like an ashy brown pencil. And I'm looking at that mirror. That's why if it looks like I'm not looking anywhere in particular, it's because I'm holding the mirror so I can see it, but I try to keep the mirror off camera. Does that make sense? I don't know. Then I'm going to take some concealer and use that as eyelid primer. So I basically just dab a little bit on and then blend it all the way up the eyelid, up to the brow bone, get the inner corner, and this is just to give a nice even base for all the shadows that we're going to put over top. And I'm going to take just my translucent setting powder and use that on the eyes to set the concealer, and this will just create a nice base for all the eyeshadows to blend. Then I'm taking like a light beige color and using that all over my lid to define the lids. We're basically going to be playing with shadows for this look. Lots of blending, just a lot of blending. And then I take that same tan beige shade and put it under my eyelid as well and connect that up to the upper eyelid. Get that in the crease, just blend it so it seems very soft. Then I'm taking this, I was debating which brown to use. I'm going to take that cooler toned brown first on like a smudger brush, and I'm basically going to put that color on the outer half of the eyelid. It looks a little haphazard in the application, but we're going to blend it. And I also put that color in the crease to define the crease of the eye. And put that same brown on the outer part of the inner corner. The outer part of the lower lash line. Sorry, words are complicated. Then I'm taking that super dark brown and I'm just putting the tiniest amount of it on the outermost part of the eye to kind of create almost like a V where the lower and upper lash line meet, and that'll just create very rounded eyes. Next, I'm taking this brown liner, and I'm just tight lining my upper lash line. I find that this helps make my lashes look thicker, and it helps my eyeliner kind of not blend. I don't know. I think it just looks nice. I think that's really all I'm trying to say, is I think tight lining makes your eyes look nice. And then I'm taking a white pencil and lining my waterline. And this is just to help open up the eyes and make them appear bigger and brighter. If you don't have a white liner, you could also use like a cream colored pencil. Next, I'm taking my eyeliner pen, and this is the type I like to use, one of those like felt tips. And I'm not gonna lie, today was a bad eyeliner day when I was filming this. So I did get off camera after a while because I was struggling, so I could sit and have my mirror much closer so I could see what I was doing. Basically, I do a bunch of little strokes and then connect them. And then I draw the wing and then connect the wing to the line. It's really hard for me to film this, so I tried, but today was not a good eyeliner day. I'll say that. I had a really hard time doing eyeliner this day. And then for kohane, I try to, instead of doing more like a wing, I kind of do a line that's straight out from my lash line. I don't know if it's considered puppy eyeliner or not, but I don't do like a cat eye for her. I do more like a soft wing that's not super pointed and not as like far up as I normally would do. And I'm just going back and forth between my eyes to try to make them as even as possible. Like I said, this was not my best of eyeliner days, so I did get off camera and touch it up when I could see more easily. And now we're gonna do lashes, which it's always a complicated process, but today was a good lash day. Here's the thing, it was a bad liner day, but it was a really easy lash day, so take with that what you will. I had a much easier time getting on my lashes today. And I like really like spiky lashes in general for cosplay. I just, regardless of the character, I like very big dramatic lashes. I just think it suits me best. And I'm showing you up close me kind of positioning that lash because you could see that it was kind of going a little wonky, but with a little bit of pressing and working with the glue, you can kind of get the lash wherever you need it to go. Next, I'm taking some mascara. And I think I just do my lower lashes at this point because I want to let the glue really dry before I even put mascara on the upper lashes. And then this is the mostly finished eye makeup. We're going to do a few little things in a bit, but we're not there yet. Next, I'm going to be priming my face because we're going to start the face makeup, and I already threw on the shirt and I put my hair in braids, so it would be much easier to get into the full cosplay later. Then I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm just going to put that on my dark circles. I don't get sleep. Any places I have redness, little acne scars, things I want to brighten, things I want to cover up. And then I just go in with a buffing brush and I just lightly blend that into the skin. Then I'm going to take my BB cream. I prefer BB cream to foundation at this point. I don't even think I own a foundation. And I'm just taking a little bit on that same buffing brush. And what we're going to do is kind of just dab it around my face and then blend it out where I need any extra coverage, basically. And make sure to blend down the neck as well so your face matches your neck. Then I'm doing something a little bit different. I take this setting spray and I basically spray my face makeup down before I put on any setting powder. I tried this for the first time pretty recently and I think it helps. So now I'm going in with my mascara and putting that on the upper lashes now that the false lashes have had time to really dry. And then once the setting spray is dried, I go in with a setting powder and I just put it where I need it, where I get shiny. I try to keep my skin looking fairly natural and I don't try to cover up a ton of texture. I like my skin to look like skin. Then I'm taking this super pink blush and I am just taking that and we're gonna go to town with blush because Kohane is so soft and cute that we need to have the pinkest blush possible. And I'm putting it near my eyes on like the upper part of my cheeks. Then I'm taking this cream highlighter stick that is used for like around your eyes, and this is a like champagne colored stick. I have an opal one, but I thought the champagne would look nicer with the brown tones of this eye makeup. And I'm just highlighting my inner corner with this. And now we are gonna get that wig on my head, and I'm taking this light pink lip tint and I'm using that kind of all over the lips, as you will see once I start putting it on my lips. And I kind of dab it in the middle of my lip and then kind of blend it around. But this is kind of like the base lip color of our gradient. Then I'm taking this like orangey red lip tint and I'm gonna very carefully put it on the middle of my lips and then blend that out. And with that all done, the makeup is complete. So, how do we think? I feel so cute as Kohane. Every time I put this wig on, I'm like, yeah, I should dye my hair blonde again. Maybe we'll go blonde this summer. What do we think about that? Thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes, you! Make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And in the comments, let me know who your favorite Project SEKAI character, group, song, whatever. I am slowly getting more into Project SEKAI. The game and we don't get along very well. But I do love a lot of the characters and I mostly play it to read the stories. Because I just would like a Project SEKAI anime, please, for me. Also, I will link up in the iCard section the review of this cosplay. I've had this cosplay for a while now and I did film a full unboxing and review when I got it. So if you're interested in that, I will link that for you to check out. Also follow me over on Instagram and Twitter to see cosplay content. Like I said, I posted a picture of my Kohane cosplay over on my Instagram, and I do plan to do another Kohane shoot soon. I want to find a really cool location that fits the Vivid Bad Squad vibes, so hopefully I'll be able to do that this year. Fingers crossed. Also would love, just saying, at my friends that will watch this later, can we please do a Vivid Bad group for me, please? Thank you. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!